It is raining, it is pouring, but CoffeeNab is not snoring. If you don't believe me, look at me and see that I am not snoring. Also, I got a haircut. If you don't believe me, look at my scalp. You know, people think that I may have lost my soul, which I don't have, by cutting off this hair. And I say I never had a soul. I also got a comment that said, this hat right here, gives me a soul. Do I look like I have more of a soul now? No! Why do you think that I would have a soul?
Hey,
Brunettes don't.
what are you doing without a rain jacket?
Sorry. I'm going to. It's my broski. On a more serious note, he's so weird. He makes me laugh just looking at him. He doesn't realize that he's one of those people who thinks that brunettes have souls. I just don't understand it. So, as I always say, brunettes don't have souls, and I don't see why you would think that they do. Brunettes don't have souls. It is raining, it is pouring, CoffeeNab hates snoring, and I am not afraid of the rain. If you don't believe me, look at me sitting out here in the rain. Look, you have a river going down our street. Alright, if you have any questions about being a brunette, and what it is like to not have a soul, you can talk to me by commenting on this video. Alright, for all my supporters, you can ask me about being a brunette, and